So hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can translate your voice messages on your Wechat. To do so, you just have to open up Wechat, and after opening up Wechat, go on to chats. After you are on your chats, just select the person that you want to translate or send voice messages to. Right here I don't have any friends right now, so I'm just going to chat with the bot. Here you can see a plus icon on the bottom right side of the screen. If you click on the plus icon, you can see these options pop up, and among them is the voice input. Click on voice input. Here, after clicking on voice input, if you are using it for the first time, you just have to enable it. After enabling the voice feature, now you will be able to again go here, click on voice input, and now hold to talk. If you simply hold while talking, all of your text messages or your voice messages will be turned into your text messages, and that's how you can translate your voice messages. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.